The Classic Gavotte. It features one of the most beautiful steps in old-time dancing, the Gavotte step. So before we start to show you the classic, we'd like to just take a few moments to show you the pas de Gavotte step. You'd normally start in open hold to do this. Left foot for the man, right foot for the lady, in a third position front. And quite simply, it's just 4 steps. You glide the front foot forward, you glide and close to a third rear and glide again and bring the back foot forward into a low aerial, straight leg, toe pointing down. And that's what the pas de Gavotte step is. It can be done on either leg. As we show, you can go with the right foot first, with a step, close, step, point, and the left foot. Step, close, step, point. It can be done on either foot. So now we show you the Classic Gavotte. Now we start with the step we've just shown you, the pas de Gavotte, a long line of dance. So, and it's step, close, step, point. And we're going to step forward on our next, forward to the side, back and close to a third position. And you should now be facing your partner because you're going to cross over and change places. Now those 2 movements we've just shown you, you're going to use them exactly the same to cross over with your partner and end up facing against line of dance. So we start with the pas de Gavotte, and it's a step, close, step and a point, and forward and back into a third position. Now we're going to do exactly the same movement we've just showed you against line of dance. A pas de Gavotte, forward, and forward to the side, back close to a third position, and we cross back to our starting place with a pas de Gavotte, and we end up back to our starting positions. So we've effectively done the pas de Gavotte in a square, exchanging places with our partner. All right, we'll just show you those 8 bars now put together. And step, close as a pas de Gavotte, and you're going to change places with your partner and face against line of dance. And the same against line of dance, a pas de Gavotte, and step to the side, pas de Gavotte, and you should now be back in the position you commence the dance. Right, starting from bar 9, as the gentleman steps forward diagonally to wall with his left foot, the lady steps back and immediately turns backing diagonal to wall into double hold. We'll just show you that now. Just 1 step forward and the lady immediately turns backing diagonal to wall. And 1 step outside his partner for the man, and 3 steps in line with his partner to diagonal wall. Now transfer weight back onto the right foot for the man, quarter turn, transfer weight back onto the left foot, and 3 walks in line with partner, diagonal to centre. Now transfer weight back onto the left foot, turning to the right for the man, quarter turn, transfer weight forward onto the right foot, turning to the wall and face partner, and you're going to do 2 glissades, a long line of dance, and take up waltz hold, and you complete the sequence with natural waltz. Well, we just show you those 16 bars now put together. Right, the whole 16 bars now, we start with the pas de Gavotte. Left foot for the man, right foot for the lady. Pas de Gavotte forward, and close to a third position and cross over with your partner. Now you're doing the same movement against line of dance. Pas de Gavotte, and back to your place with the pas de Gavotte. Now we're going to turn to face diagonal to wall, 1 step outside, 3 in line with partner. Transfer the weight back and forward, and 3 steps diagonal to centre. Step back, glissades, and complete the dance, waltzing, opening out to start another sequence.